This is the ADX screen, right? To bá fẹ́ ṣe limit orders, you open your chart. Once in your chart, you click on whether buy or sell. So since you are selling, depends on how they want to do it. So let's say we are selling 50%. You click on 50%. Oh, sorry, I have orders that are already pending. So let me cancel those orders first. Undo all. So let's say you want to do 50%. Just click 50%, then punch in the value you want. Make sure that it's in limit orders, like I said. So 0.2045. But for this video, I'm going to be using 25% because I want to do TP1 to 4. So I say 25%, which is 14.0 ADX. Copy that to make it easier for yourself. 25%, 0.2045. Execute. It has appeared under. And come here again, do another 25%, 0.2245. I think that's the second target. Execute order. Then come back for TP3, 0.2 for TP3, 0.29. Execute. As you're executing all the orders, it should appear at the bottom here. Then for the final one, 0.5. So 0.35. Execute. So now all the orders are here now. This is how to set limit orders. So you can go to sleep. In fact, you can forget it DSF. You don't have to worry yourself. Once the price reaches the limit, which is the prices we have set, 0.245, 0.2245, 0.2900, and 0.3500, it's going to trigger the price and it's going to sell and give you your profits. So that's how it is done. And then also, the reason why I say it is the best is because when you trigger limit orders, your DEX does not charge you any fee. Be it Binance, be it Huobi, be it any platform, be it Mexi, they won't charge you any network fee for the trade. It's going to be like free. So that's how it's done. It's best, more profitable. Watching, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment under if you need any more videos or you have any suggestions. My name is Olafemi Ogunshuyi, and it was a pleasure taking this journey with you. Have a great day. Bye.